Hello, welcome to my class. This class is for class 8 and in this video we are going to discuss question number 8, 9, 10 and 11 from exercise 11.2 from the chapter mensuration. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. And if you want any questions as videos, you can ask that also in the comments. Okay. So let us start now. And the question is, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10500, that is 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. We have to find the length along the river. Okay. So this is a trapezium. Okay. And area of the trapezium. We want to find the length of the side along the river. Area of the trapezium is given 10500 and this height is given 100 meter. And given that this length along the river is twice the length along the road. Okay, so let us take the length along the road as x. Let the length along the road be x. And area of a trapezium. Let us write that here. Area of a trapezium is equal to half h into a plus b, where a and b are these lengths and h is this height. Okay, so we are taking the length along the road as x. So the length along the river will be 2x. Length along the river is 2x. And area is equal to half of h is this 100. Half of 100 into, we have taken length along the road as x. So x plus this 2x, and that is equal to 10500. Okay, understood? So this is 50. 100 by 2 is 50, and when we multiply this, 50x plus 50 into 2x, that is 100x, is equal to 10500. Right? So this implies 50x plus 100x is 150. 150x is equal to 10500. So what is x? X equal to 10500 by 150. So this 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and 15, 3 will go in 15 5 times, or we can divide this by 5. So 5 will go in 15 3 times, and 5 will go in 1050 210 times 70. So we got this x as 70 meter. This is 70 meter. So what is this length? It is 2x. So this length along the river is equal to 2x, which is 2 into 70, that is 140 meter. So this length is 140 meter. Okay, understood? Next question is, top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. This is in the shape of octagon. Regular octagon means all these sides will be equal. Right? So we have to find the area of this octagonal surface. So we can divide this into these two trapeziums and one rectangle, right? So if we find these areas, the area of these two trapeziums and one rectangle, and add it, we'll be able to find the area of this octagon. So first we'll find the area of this trapezium ABCD. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half h into A plus B, and that is equal to half into h is 4, this is 4, into A plus B, that is given that this is 5 meter. So all these will be 5. Now we have this, we got AB as 5 meter and CD is 11 meter. So half into 4 into 5 plus 11, that is half into 4 into 16. So 2, 4 by 2 is 2 and 16 into 2 is 32. 32 meter square is the area of this trapezium. Now this trapezium, it will be same area because this is also 11 meter and this is 5. So we'll get the same area. So area of trapezium, we can name this as EFGH. Okay. So area of trapezium EFGH is equal to half h into, same, is equal to area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 32 meter square. Okay. Now area of this rectangle DEFC. Area of rectangle DEFC is equal to length into breadth, that is 11 into 5. 11 into 5, which is equal to 55 meter square. So what is the area of this full octagon? Area of octagon is equal to 32 plus 32 plus 55. 32 plus 32 is 64. 64 plus 55 is 119. So 119 meter square is the area of this octagon. Okay. Next one is, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other ways to finding its area? So this is the pentagonal shaped park and Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways and found out the area. We have to find the area by using both ways. And we have to suggest some other way to find its area. Okay. So first is Jyoti divided it like this. So she has divided it into two trapeziums. Right. So we can divide this into two trapeziums. And here this is 15 meter. And here this length is given as 30 meter. So this is 30 meter. And this full length is 15. So this will be, these two are equal trapeziums. We have divided, if we draw a line like this will be equal trapeziums. So this length will be 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5 meter. That is, height of the trapezium will be 7.5 meter. So we can find the area, right? Area of trapezium, area of one trapezium is equal to half h into A plus B, that is half of 7.5 into 15 plus 30, which is equal to half into 7.5 into 45. Okay. Now there are two trapeziums like this. So area of the park is equal to 2 into half into 7.5 into 45, which is equal to 7.5 into 45. So when we multiply 75 and 45, we will get 3375 and one decimal is there because this is 7.5. So 337.5 meter square is the area of this park. By Jyoti's method, we have found this area. Now I am proceeding to Kavita's method. Okay. Now we will find the area using Kavita's method. Here this is 15 meter and this is 15 meter. So this will be 15 and this will be 15. So this will be a square. So we can draw like this. 15, 15, 15, 15 and a triangle. Okay. So area of square is equal to 15 square, which is equal to 225 meters square. Now, area of this triangle, area of triangle. Here, this is the base of the triangle and this full length is given as 30 meter. So, what will be this length? It will be 30 minus this 15, right? So, this length will be 15 meter. So, this height of this triangle will be 15 meter. And what is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is half BH, half base into height, which is equal to half into 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is 225 and 225 divided by 2 is 112.5, right? So when we add this 225 and 112.5, so area of park is equal to 225 plus 112.5, which is equal to 337.5 meter square. So we got the area of this park as 337.5 meters square. Now we can use another method to find the area because they have asked, can you suggest some other ways to find the area? The park is like this. Now we can find the area of this by dividing into this triangle, then two triangles like this. So we can find the area using this method also. Okay, and adding these areas we can find the area of this park. Okay, understood? Next question is, diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 cm into 28 cm and inner dimensions 16 cm into 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame. If the width of each section is the same, we have to find the area of these frames, each section of the frame. So this is in the shape of a trapezium. The frames are in the shape of trapezium and given that width of all the frames are same. So this width can be found out as this length is 28 centimeter and this length is 20 centimeter. So remaining is 8 centimeter. So this will be 4 centimeter and this will be 4 centimeter again. And width of all the frames are equal. So this will be 4 centimeter and this will be 4 centimeter. Now area of this frame, let us name this as A, B, C, D. Area of frame ABCD is equal to half h into A plus B, which is equal to half into 4 into 20 plus 28. That is 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 into 20 plus 28, that is 2 into 48, which is equal to 96 centimeters square. So this frame and this frame has 96 centimeters square as the area because these two have the same area. So area of this frame is also let us name this as PQRS. So area of PQRS is also 96 centimeter square. Okay. Now this APQB, area of APQB, area of APQB is equal to half h into a plus b, that is half into 4 into a plus b is 16 plus 24, that is this 16 plus 24. So 16 plus 24 and 4 by 2 is 2 and this is equal to 2 into 40, which is equal to 80 centimeters square. Now area of this is CDSR. Area of CDSR is equal to area of APQB is equal to 80 centimeters square. So we have found area of all these frames. Okay, understood? With this, I am winding up this video. I'll be uploading next exercise in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you and bye.